Marriage problems are like a storm that hits unexpectedly, leaving destruction in its wake. It starts with small cracks in the foundation, little disagreements that slowly grow into larger conflicts. Communication breaks down, trust erodes, and resentment builds. The once strong bond between two people begins to weaken, and it feels like there is no way to repair the damage. But despite the darkness that surrounds a struggling marriage, there is always a glimmer of hope. It takes courage to face the issues head on, to confront the pain and hurt buried deep within. It takes patience to listen, to understand the other person's perspective truly, and to find common ground. Overcoming marriage problems requires a willingness to change, grow, and to evolve as individuals and as a couple. It means letting go of pride and ego and being vulnerable enough to admit when you are wrong. It means putting in the hard work to rebuild what has been broken, to rekindle the love and the connection that brought you together in the first place. It's not easy and there will be setbacks along the way, but with dedication, commitment, and a shared desire to make things right, a struggling marriage can be transformed into something beautiful and strong. It's a journey of healing, of forgiveness, and of rediscovering the joy and the love that once seemed lost. I hope this video was useful. If you like this video, you may write comments, subscribe to the channel, and share it with loved ones. Thank you very much for watching.